GB memory, right? Recently, I have taken 20 days before Galaxy A72. That is 8 GB RAM and 128 GB memory. But we can extend our memory if it is needed, right?
Nice phone, sir.
Yeah, 1024 megabytes means 1024 megabytes means 1024 kilobytes, right? Or 2 power 20 kilobytes, which is nothing but 2 power 30 bytes. Can we write like this? Next, 1 TB, 1 TB, terabyte.
1024 gigabytes.
Very good, 1024 GB. This is nothing but 1024 into 1024 megabytes or 2 power 30 kilobytes, KB, or 2 power 40 bytes or 2 power 43 bits. Yeah, all these are basic memory measurements can use in the memory in the mobiles and laptops, apps we are using. We can use photos, videos, any movies, right? Yeah, different types of computers, operating system, assembly language, machine. What is high-level language? Any one of you? Have you heard anywhere about what is high-level language?
Which can be understood easily by user, sir.
User can understand, just like it is in our English, regular English text. High-level language, everyone can understand, just like our English, but computer cannot understand. Right? Machine cannot
use compiler.
Yeah, very good. So, high-level language is user understandable format. That is just like our English, just like English format, just like our regular English. What you are reading, newspapers, books like that. That is called high-level language. High level. That is called high level. What are the example of high-level languages? What are the programming language? High-level programming languages?
Python,
High language.
C, Java, Python. All these are all these we can go. Oracle is not a language. This package. All these are we can human understandable format. That is called high-level language. Right? Now, how can you? What is machine language?
which cannot be understood by the user, but machine level language.
By machine.
Computer can understand that. Computer only can understand machine language codes, zeros and ones. Zeros and ones only. Just that is only binary format. 0, 0, 0, 0, suppose 0, 0, 0, 1. That is 1. All zeros, that is 0. We are watching this in the traffic signals, all this electronics related syllabus, all this zeros and ones. Computer can understand zeros and ones only. That is called machine language. That is called low-level language. That is called low-level language. Assembly language, some pseudo codes. It is the language between the high level and the machine language. Okay? Assembly language. We'll learn microprocessors. We'll learn study in your career in the engineering course. CSC and IT and EC students can learn what is machine language, microprocessor, different embedded systems like that. Right? So computer can understand only binary system. So, do you know how to convert the number systems? One decimal to hexadecimal, to any radix to other radix. Decimal 10. What is that? We generally use the decimal numbers in our regular activities. In our regular activities, we use the decimal numbers only. We cannot use binary numbers. Whenever you go out and you want to 0.001 kilo of oil like that, we cannot use only 1 kg. 1 kg of oil. We use a decimal system. Even money calculations, all those are we use only decimal numbers only. Decimal numbers, octal system, hexadecimal system, binary system. Anyone can write in the binary system. Yeah, students. Number system. I'm not starting serious level, sir. Number systems. Tell me, what are the number systems? Decimal system, decimal number system.
Decimals, integers.
Binary number system. Decimal number is base 10. What are the numbers in that? Decimal number, ఏమేమి numbers చూస్తాం పాపం, ఏమేమి digits చూస్తాం?
10, 100,
10,
అవన్నీ
100,
100 0 to 9 only. 0 to 9 only digits. 0 to 9 digits only. ఎంత పెద్ద నెంబర్ రాసినా 0 to 9 మధ్యలోనే ఉండాలి. 1 lakh రాసినా 1 తర్వాత 5 zeros వస్తాయి అంతే. 1 0 ఉంటుంది. ఈ 0 to 9 ఉంటుంది. దాని డెసిమల్ నెంబర్. బైనరీ సిస్టమ్ బేస్ 2. What are the digits we use? అనిపిస్తున్నా బాబు?
octal number system.
That is 0 and 1 only. In the base 2, that is binary system, only zeros and ones only we will use. Next, octal system. Octal numbers. What is the base?
0 to 7.
Base 8.
0 to 7, sir.
Numbers we will use 0 to 7.
Hexa number system.
Hexadecimal system. Hexadecimal number system.
Base 16.
Number system base 16. What are the digits we use here?
0 to 10.
15 వరకు ఉండాలి కదా.
0 to
0
10,
to
8 to
9.
F, sir. And A to F.
Capital A అంటే 10, capital B 11, capital B C 12, capital D 13, capital E 14, capital F 15, up to 50, 0 to 15. Use any number system. You can use any number system. Base or radix, it is called radix. Any radix. Base 3 radix. Base 3. What are the digits we can imagine? 0 to 2 only. Huh? Base 5. Base 5 means 0 to 4 only. Use whatever, any base. But generally we use that by decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal number system we use. Right? How to convert one number system to other number system. Right? How to convert one number system to other number system. Right? See, tell me. Yeah. Tell me, students, I'm taking one decimal number to other number system. This is, remember, decimal number is decimal to any number system. Very easy to convert. By dividing that particular base, suppose, Babu, see, decimal number to any number system, how can you convert? Suppose if I give that 27. 27 is decimal number. How to convert as the binary? Have any idea? You studied in 6th class or 7th class, I remember. How to convert? Students, examples. Convert
Determining the base values, sir.
27 into binary number, binary system. Just divide by which number, which binary system means 2, base 2. ఏ నెంబర్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయమంటామో, ఏ నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్ కన్వర్ట్ చేయమంటే ఆ నెంబర్ తో దాన్ని డివైడ్ చేస్తూ వెళ్ళాలి అంతే. దట్స్ ఇట్. 27 This is 27 in decimal number. Decimal number to any other number system, you convert that any number system base only. 27 divided by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3. Remainder is 1. Right? Again, 2 6 ja, 12. Again, base 1. 2 3 ja, 6. Remainder 0. 2 1 ja, base 1, remainder 1, 2 0, 1, remainder 1. From top, bottom to top, you write that. Bottom to top you need to write 1 1 0 1 1 base 2. This is 27 equals to 1 1 0 1 1. Got it? You can convert any number, decimal number system into binary system. If you want to convert same this 27 binary decimal number into octal system, divide by 8. If you want to convert 27 into hexadecimal system, divide by 16. Students, are you getting? Yes?
Sir.
27. Suppose 27. Convert 27 into octal system. So remember the decimal system as a mediator. Octal system divide by 8. 8 3 are 24. Remainder 3. But it should be less than 8 only. Remainder is less than 8, you continue. 8 0 0. Now, right bottom right. Now 27 is decimal number. I am not writing any base. Now 33 is the octal number system. Again, if you want to convert 27 into hexadecimal system, again divide 27 by hexadecimal base is 16. 16 1 is 16. What's the remainder? How much? 11. That is nothing but B. 11 is nothing but B. I told you clearly. Again 16 0 0 1. Now write from bottom to top. Now 27 in the decimal system equals to 1B. This is hexadecimal number. Reverse you can convert. How to convert? Reverse into binary decimal system. Writing powers. Power 2 power 0. Whatever base. Right? Students, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Same, whatever binary 1 1 0 1 1 we got it. Now binary to decimal, how to convert? Any other number system to decimal, you can convert. Suppose 1 1 0 1 1 base 2, convert into decimal number system. Decimal number system. See, write 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Write the 2 power 0 powers, 2 power 1 and the 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. You multiply with this digits and take the sum, you'll get 2 power 4 into 1 plus the digit 1 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 square plus 2 power 1 into 1 plus 2 power 0 into 1. Now you calculate 2 power 4, 16 into 1 plus 2 cube, 8, 8 into 1 plus 0, 2 power 1 into 2 plus 1. Now 16 plus 8, 24 plus 3, 27. We got 27. This is decimal number. Same reverse. Got it, students? Yes. We have taken 27 only. 27 we converted into binary number, divide by 2 and take the remainders, write the from bottom to top. We'll get that binary number. If you want to convert the same binary number into decimal number, write the powers, this binary to decimal. So that's why binary, that is the base 2. That's why 2 power 0, 2 power 1 from right to left, you write 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power like that, and multiply and summation, you'll get the required decimal number. Same like hexadecimal number I have taken. Octal number. Octal number 33. Convert 33 into decimal number. (33) base 8 into decimal system. Decimal system 33. So 33 base. This is 8 power 0, 8 power 1. That's it. 8 power 1 into 3 plus 8 power 0 into 3. 8 0 24 plus 8 power 0 is 1. That is 3. That is 27. We got it. All right. I have taken simple problem to understand. 27. This is decimal number. Same like hexadecimal to hexadecimal, we got 27 equal to 1b. How to convert 1b? Hexadecimal to decimal. Convert 1b. This is hexadecimal into decimal. You take the remember into decimal. Decimal system. You should get 27. 1b. You know that what is b? This is hexadecimal to 16 power 0, 16 power 1. That's it. 16 into 1 plus what is b value? 11 into 16 power 0, 1. 16 plus 11 equals to 27. This is decimal number. Any number system, if you want to convert decimal to other number, divide other number system to decimal, write like this, or based on that base, right? The base power 0 into the last digit, right, from right to left. Base power 2, 1 into the second digit, like that. Right? You can convert some octal to decimal, octal to binary to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal, it's okay. But sometimes octal to hexadecimal, you convert into decimal and divide by like. Otherwise, there are some options to get directly also. Right, students? This is just I have started introduction of number system. Right? Sometimes every paper they are asking one question, convert, right? There are C programs on conversions, decimal to binary, binary to decimal, binary to hexadecimal. There are many C programs, some patterns. We'll discuss what is C program, what is directives, header files, what are the operators, what are the variables. Slowly I will start and I will use that C online compiler I use and I will show the execution. All are having some C coding apps in your mobiles, students. C coding in C.
No, sir.
Download in your mobile. Or are having mobiles or only laptops also using?
Mobiles only, sir.
Mobiles only. That's why you can download C coding. App black color la untundi. Today only you download it. C coding. And if it is possible, you are using desktop or laptop also, you'd see the C online compiler. That is in mobile also possible. C online compiler. You can execute the programs. You can get errors. But how to compile, how to run, whenever we start that lab session, I'll explain in the Linux. We use generally C programming Linux operating system in our college, right? Okay. Actually, just I wanted to start just introduction today. I'm unable to take class. Okay, students. Tomorrow you'll have the class. I'll start the fundamentals of the C programming. Right. Everyone should attend classes. Don't miss the classes. Right. How many of you attended? 52 attended today. What about others? Any students, irregular students? Today onwards, just I have started classwork. Please attend the classes regularly. If any doubt, you can clarify immediately. Slowly we'll go. Don't worry, I can take this is online class. I can take extra classes also. Don't get worried. ఊరికే ఏదో మొబైల్ ఆన్ చేసేసి ఇంట్లో అవి ఇవి తినుకుంటూ కూర్చున్నారు అనుకోండి, మొబైల్ ఆన్ చేసి పడుకొని బెడ్ మీద పడుకొని, దట్స్ యూజ్లెస్. ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్, దిస్ ఇస్ న్యూ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఫర్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే మళ్ళీ చెప్తా నేను, బట్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్. సి ఈజ్ ద బేసిక్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ టు ఆల్ ద లాంగ్వేజ్. ఎందుకంటే మనకు ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఎక్కడ చూసినా, ఏ యూనివర్సిటీలో చూసినా సి ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. సి ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ నేర్చుకుంటే యూ కెన్ కంపేర్ సి ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ విత్ అదర్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్. ఇట్ మేక్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ. Python, all. Whenever even EC students are, some universities are introducing Java also for EC students, some colleges. So we also introduced Java. If you are perfect in C, C++, then only you can understand Java. So don't neglect C programming. సార్ చెప్తలే, జానే సార్ చెప్పే నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు 1 month తర్వాత చెప్పే కంటే, అర్థం కాకపోతే ఎమ్మటే అడిగారు అనుకోండి, ఐ కెన్ రెక్టిఫై, ఐ కెన్ క్లారిఫై what is problem, what is our problem, how you are not how you are unable to understand. I can rectify and I can explain once again. Then 1 month అయినాక నాకు మీ అన్ని చెప్పారు సార్, డూ వైల్ అంటే ఏంటో, వైల్ అంటే ఏంటో తెలియలేదు, నాకు అదే లేదు. డోంట్ సే లైక్ దట్ స్టోరీస్. నాకు ఇంట్లో నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు సార్, నేను అప్పుడు ఆ విలేజ్ లో ఉన్నా సార్, ఇవన్నీ చెప్పకండి ప్లీజ్. ఎందుకంటే నేను లాస్ట్ 2 semesters వింటున్నాను ఇవన్నీ. లాస్ట్ లో చెప్పేసారు, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ టెంపరరీ సానుభూతి వస్తుంది తప్ప మీకు హెల్ప్ అయితే కాదు దానివల్ల. అయ్యో పాపం నెట్వర్క్ లేదా, పాపం దేశం ప్రపంచం మొత్తం నెట్వర్క్ వాడుతున్నారు. సరే కొన్ని ప్లేసెస్ లో లేదని నేను అనను, నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నది. మొబైల్స్ కూడా కొంతమంది లాస్ట్ సెమిస్టర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ స్టూడెంట్ సడన్లీ ఆఫ్టర్ 2 months షీ టోల్డ్ సార్ ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ద వై ఆర్ నాట్ అటెండింగ్ క్లాసెస్ స్టూడెంట్ అడిగితే అమ్మాయి ఏం చెప్పిందంటే, నాకు మొబైలే లేదు సార్. ఐ కాంట్ హెల్ప్ ఇన్ దట్ సిచ్యువేషన్. Students, please do understand what our basics I'm covering. I sent you the syllabus copy also. See the syllabus copy, right? Most of the basic topics are starting from second unit, our programming language, programming, right? But just introduction to programming, all this, what are the computer components, we'll discuss tomorrow onwards, right? Okay, please enter your attendance in the chat box, please. There is a chat box. See this chat box. Enter your complete number. Mandeep Kumar, enter complete numbers if possible. Okay. Please, everyone should enter attendance.